Hi, this is Kevin, and welcome to my wooden boat project. I've been working with wood my whole life. I started out working in my grandfather's wood shop. They say find something you love and you'll never work a day in your life. I wish my grandfather was still around so I could share this love with him. Come and enjoy our journey. Okay everybody, how you doing? This video we're going to do a little detour. We were going to finish the bottom planks, but I could not get the boards in time to get it all filmed and put it in video. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the work I did on the body so far. And you notice in some of these pictures here, I'm going to start taking off all the hardware that's on the outside, all on the body, the splash guard, up on the deck, all the little bumper rails there, and some of the vent caps. I'm going to refinish the vent caps or get new ones. Okay, the next thing we're going to start scraping the boat, going somewhere where the damage is, up here, up in the top and the bow. Scraped all that out. So we're going to start scraping, then we're going to sand. I use the carbon tip scraper and I pull it. I don't push it, I just pull it. And here you can see on the roof, I had a lot of scraping done in there good. And then we're going to sand with the orbital sander. The beauty of this type of sander is it has vacuum attachment to it and you get no dust. I mean, you get very little. Once in a while, skipping around if you're not totally flat on there, but it really does a nice job. And here you can see on the very top here, on the bright work, how it comes over on the decking. It was all painted, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put lacquer over top of that. And you can be able to see all the teak, and then I'll put the bumpers over top of that. It should come out nice. As you can see from here, everything came out really nice. Starboard side wasn't as bad. Had that little problem with the rod up front. But the port side was a little worse, but it's all going to come out nice. 2 quarts I used on this almost got through the whole boat with as much as I did. I was not expecting to do this much when I originally ordered it. So I had to put a little bit of the Flexo wood filler up on the upper corner. You'll be able to notice where the spots aren't green, obviously. And it's on this port side. Here you can see me scraping, like I said, and pulling it back on the. It'll smooth it out really nice, and it'll be less sanding. And it's always better when there's less sanding. And I did decide to hand sand all of this, so I have the plastic out. I didn't want to get too aggressive with it because I already was aggressive on the siding. So just to get it nice and smooth, feather it out. I don't want to go too crazy. And here she is, all sanded. It was worth it. She came out real smooth. Can't wait to throw some paint on her. Now, we just gotta wait for a little bit of warm weather, and we'll get her painted.